Hello everyone. In this video, we'll try to understand what are unions and how can we, use unions in Python, right? So before, we try to understand unions, right? So one of the important thing which you should understand is what are sets. We already discussed what are sets, list, tuples, dictionaries in our previous videos. In case if you are not aware what are sets, please make sure you watch those videos, right? Okay, so now technically what set does is it will always give you the unique values in a given list, right? So let's say if you see the list A, I have 1 2 3 4 and 3 4. If you see here, the 3 4 are the repeating elements, the repeating values in a given list, right? So now what set does is, let me say A equal to set of A, right? Did you see it removed the duplicate values? Similarly, when you say B equal to set of B, obviously we know B don't have any duplicate values, right? So we'll get the same values, when you even when you convert to the set. Now why we are converting the values to set? Okay, so before that, now we'll try to understand the definition and what union is, right? What union does is it returns a set. The result, the output of your union is a set that contains all the items from both the sets. So we have set A and set B, right? So what it does is it will get all the common points from the set A and set B, and it will give the final set. The output is the set. The output of a union is again a set, right? Now, if you see this, when I union this A and B, usually what we'll get 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 2 comma from this particular values, right? So 2 comma 9 comma 10, right? Again, I already told you the results of an union, sorry, the output or result of a union is again a set. Now if you see, we have a 2 is coming 2 times, which is 2 is duplicate now. So what it does is the output will be again a set. You can just simply say set. Yeah, now no duplicates, right? So I'll repeat the definition again. Returns unions will return a set that contains all the items from both the sets where the duplicates are excluded. Now we'll see how to implement the set. So A dot, sorry, union of B. That's it, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.